Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you from her phone. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of December. Actually, January at this point. We're counting down the time frames and wanted to show you my little haul. Had a baby shower on the 14th of December. So these are the items that I had picked up. 14th is actually on Saturday, so this might be uploaded a little bit later than normal because I'm running out of time, energy, and space. So I'm gonna go through a haul that I have really fast so that I could continue on with everything else. Since it's this weekend, I have a whole lot to do. I went and got some of the toilet papers for downstairs. I'm gonna have the baby shower here downstairs in the house. Very small, 15 people. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog, which I don't know. I feel like I'm too tired, but hopefully I could capture as much as I can so you guys could see how everything went, so on and so forth. I bought some of these gifts. It's a mermaid theme. I went and bought two of the very small. They come in 3 packs, gift bags. These are where the prizes are going to be. And I also got the two a little bit larger for the big prize. The big prize would be the ones who brought the most diaper, and another one would be some raffle. I forgot what's in the raffle though, or what you need to do to be in the raffle. But there's a raffle. I think that has something to do with diapers too. The one who has the most and whoever wins a raffle for having brought diapers wins something as well, if their ticket is pulled. I also got stickers, these auto collections that I'm just going to stick onto the gift bags as a thank you. Write thank you on there. Also picked up the diapers. This one has a pack of 4. There's a game where you put chocolate in the diaper and you have to guess what type of baby poop is in there, and whoever guessed it right wins. I tried my very best not to have a lot of paper game, but that one is a really hot ticket one, so that was one of the only ones that I have, because all of the other ones everybody are experts in the words and the riddles and the phrase, so I'm not doing any of those games at all. Here is another thank you for the 6 prizes, that the 6 gifts that I have. These will be the thank you cards that I'll put in the bag itself. This is another game. This is the baby shower favors. These are just going to be in a jar. I have a mason jar somewhere. And you have to try to guess the amount of stuff is in there, and that's a game also. Whoever guessed the closest or right wins. I gotta remember all of this. Also picked up Lysol so that I could freshen up downstairs and get it to be nice and sparkly and clean and awesome. And that is my haul, you guys. That is my itty mini haul for the shower that's coming up this weekend. I think you guys can see my baby shower dress. There we go. I'll go the dress that I'll be wearing. If you watch the vlog, you'll see it there too. But that's what I'm wearing. I bought that at Ross. That was the only thing I bought at Ross, and that cost $19 with tax. So it's like 21 something. But definitely we'll show some more of that in the vlogs. This is my Dollar Tree haul, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.